Good day to all. This is Dr. G. Pijesh Pushpa, Assistant Professor in the Department of Business Administration at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to explain about the nature of leadership. Then first we can know about the meaning of leadership. Then the leadership can be defined as the capability to inculcate confidence in employees to achieve the objectives of the organization. Then first we can know about the leader. Then who is a leader? A leader is a person who leads a team to achieve the organizational goals. Then here the leader should encourage the team members for achieving the organizational goals. Then next we can know about the definition of leadership. Then according to Hollander, then here the Hollander explained about the leadership. Then that definition is the leadership is a process of influence between a leader and those who are followers. Then next, nature of leadership. Then here there are 8 natures in leadership. Then the first one is procedure of influence, second one ongoing activity, second comprehensive blend of art and science, fourth one linked with the circumstances, fifth tool for motivation, sixth sensible and passionate, seventh collective objectives, eighth mutual relationship. Then the first one is procedure of influence. Here the leadership means a phenomenon which focuses on influencing the attitude and behavior of the employees in a positive manner. Then here the successful leaders are those who are able to persuade their followers to change their beliefs, attitudes and behavior. Then second one, ongoing activity. Then leadership is a ongoing activity that goes a long way to bring about the continuous change in the followers towards a positive direction. Then here this ultimately brings efficiency in overall operations of the enterprise. Then third one, comprehensive blend of art and science. Then this is the concept of leadership. This is the combination of art and science. Then if it is a science, it is based on the observations and principles which identifies and collaborate the causes and characteristics of successful leader. Then if it is an art, then it will be sharpened by practice only, and it involves application of principles. Then next one, tool for motivation. Then the leadership serves as a tool to motivate the employees to achieve the objectives of the organization. Then the leadership will be considered effectively only when the leader will encourage and convince the employees to give priority to organizational objectives and thereby achieve their individual objectives. Then next one, linked with circumstances. Then leadership is generally associated with a defined situations at a specific point of time and within definite set of conditions. Hence, different styles of leaders can be applied to different conditions. Then next one, sensible and passionate. Then here, leadership has an equal impact upon the rationality as well as upon the emotions of the followers. The leaders should influence both the factors to motivate subordinates for achievement of the organizational objectives. Then next one, collective objectives. Then in these collective objectives, the leaders of the organizations should recognize the objectives of the employees with that of the times of the management. Then next one, mutual relationships. Then here in this mutual relationship, there should be a mutual relationship between the leader and his followers. Then the leader should not only to explore the capabilities of the employees, but should also develop them. Thank you.